This man is a handicapped man, but his heart was made by an angel. This huge and heavy manhole cover was opened. That would cause dangerous to other people, although it was heavy. But he didn't care about it. He got out of his wheelchair and used his handicapped legs to close the manhole cover to keep safe for people. Let's watch another story about another angel in real life. This driver hit the scrap dealer from behind. Because of it, between two men blew up a quarrel about the accident. But I really don't agree with this driver's behavior. He pushed the scrap dealer's bicycle to the field and kicked the scrap dealer fell off to the field too. That was not nice at all. This driver was very impolite in his behavior. Not only did he do that, but he also scolded the scrap dealer. How angry you was that make you have to do that? Driver, forget about that impolite man. Our scrap dealer had to tidy up a messy after the accident. That driver left without any help, of course. Kind of people like him never know to help anyone. And our scrap dealer had to do everything alone. Poor him. Whatever happened, he still had to earn money by his job. But there was a crowd on a road he went. He stopped his job and asked people around there if something happened. Then he found out that there was a girl fainted on the field. Because of his warm heart, although his anger was burning because of that driver, he still rushed to the field to save that girl because maybe she was in danger about her health. Then he carried her on his back. He needed to ask her about her family's contact. At least he could do something for her. At least he could let her family know and come to help her out of this situation. After the call, there was a van coming there. Do you remember that van? Of course, this van is the van which of the driver who was impolite. And this girl could be this driver's family. And the impolite driver came to help. Although our scrap dealer just saved his girl, the driver seemed to be so impolite with him, with no regret about his behavior before. But the scrap dealer would be skipped everything had happened before, and he kept explaining about the girl's situation to the driver. After the conversation, I hope that driver would be regret, or at least he should say a thanks to the scrap dealer. But no, this driver made me so disappointed about him. He took the girl home. Angels are everywhere. A handicapped man can be an angel, a scrap dealer can be an angel, and your action can define that you are an angel or a devil. As you can see the way this couple treated the beggar, you may know who is angel and who is devil. You see that angel and evil always appear in real life. As you know, the evil is always punished by an angel or by life.